So today we're taking a look at the metal 10-inch round planters. So this is a 4-pack hanging wire basket, and it's unique because it comes with a Coco fiber liner. This is great for outdoor plants, garden, patio, deck, and porch. So here I have them in a row on the porch, and I also have them on the hanging sticks. Why did I choose these? Well, it's got nice design. You can have your choice of style. I chose the butterfly one, and I chose the 10-inch one so not to overwhelm the scale of the place that I'm putting them, which is on the front porch and on hanging sticks around the garden. They can also be used on patios and decks. So with the Coco liner, it makes it look more natural because hanging pots kind of don't look natural with pots hanging up in the air. So this blends in more with the plant, and I like the look of it. And with the wire handmade basket, the butterfly design looks really nice, gives it a nice personal touch, pretty unique, great in the sunlight and the shade. It comes with heavy duty chains and wires. It's coated to prevent rust, and it's great for outdoors. And as you can see, it really blends well with the house, and I'm glad I got them, and this will probably be a great buy for you.